Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In our last video, we tackled a surging car issue when the AC kicks in. Now, we're diving deeper to explore additional solutions and checks. Inspecting the throttle body. Another potential culprit for a car surging with the AC on is a dirty or malfunctioning throttle body. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine, and if it is dirty or sticking, it can disrupt the air-to-fuel ratio, causing surging. Regular inspection and cleaning of the throttle body can help maintain smooth engine performance. Addressing vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks can also cause a car to surge when the air conditioning is turned on. These leaks can disrupt the air-to-fuel ratio, leading to erratic engine behavior. By identifying and addressing any vacuum leaks in the engine system, you can help eliminate surging issues and improve overall performance. Recharging or repairing the AC system. If your car surges specifically when the air conditioning is on, it might be worth checking the AC system itself. Low refrigerant levels or issues with the AC compressor can strain the engine, resulting in surging. Recharging the AC system or repairing any damaged components can help alleviate the load on the engine and potentially resolve the surging problem. By following these common solutions, you can troubleshoot and address the issue of a surging car when the air conditioning is on. Regular maintenance and attention to these key areas can help keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently, even in challenging conditions. Professional help and maintenance. It's essential to know when to seek the expertise of a professional mechanic. If your car is surging when the air conditioning is on, and you've tried basic troubleshooting steps without success, it might be time to consult a mechanic. Issues related to the air conditioning system can sometimes be complex and require specialized knowledge to diagnose and repair effectively. When to seek a mechanic. When you notice your car surging specifically when the air conditioning is on, and you've ruled out simple fixes like checking the coolant levels or replacing the air filter, it's advisable to seek the help of a trained mechanic. They have the diagnostic tools and experience to identify the root cause of the problem accurately. Ignoring such issues can lead to more significant problems down the line, so addressing them promptly is crucial. Regular maintenance tips. To prevent issues like surging when the air conditioning is on, regular maintenance is key. Here are some tips to help keep your car running smoothly. 1. Check the air filter. A clogged air filter can strain your engine, especially when the air conditioning is running. Regularly inspect and replace the air filter as needed to maintain airflow efficiency. 2. Inspect the cooling system. Ensure that the cooling system is functioning correctly, as issues here can impact the performance of your air conditioning system. Regularly check coolant levels and the condition of hoses to prevent overheating. 3. Monitor the battery. A weak or failing battery can sometimes manifest as electrical issues, including surges when using the air conditioning. Keep an eye on your battery's health and replace it if necessary to avoid unexpected problems. 4. Scheduled maintenance. Adhering to your vehicle manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial. Regular oil changes, tune-ups, and inspections can help identify potential issues early and keep your car running smoothly. By staying proactive with maintenance and seeking professional help when needed, you can avoid inconvenient and costly problems like surges when the air conditioning is on, ensuring a comfortable and reliable driving experience. Preventive measures. When it comes to preventing your car from surging when the air conditioning is on, there are a few key measures you can take. By following some best practices for using the AC system and regularly monitoring your car's performance, you can help maintain a smooth driving experience and avoid any unexpected issues. Best practices for using the AC system. 1. Gradual cooling. Instead of turning the AC to the highest setting immediately, start with a lower setting and gradually decrease the temperature. This can help reduce the strain on the engine. 2. Regular maintenance. Ensure your car's AC system is regularly inspected and serviced by a professional. This can help catch any potential issues early on and prevent them from escalating. 3. Clean filters. Dirty or clogged air filters can affect the performance of your AC system. Regularly check and clean or replace the filters to ensure optimal airflow. 4. Parking in shade. Whenever possible, park your car in a shaded area to avoid excessive heat buildup inside the vehicle. This can help reduce the workload on the AC system. Monitoring car performance. 1. Check engine temperature. Keep an eye on your car's engine temperature gauge while the AC is running. If you notice any fluctuations or overheating, it could be a sign of an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. 2. Listen for unusual noises. Pay attention to any unusual noises coming from the engine or AC system. Strange sounds like rattling or clicking could indicate a problem that requires professional attention. 3. Monitor fuel efficiency. A sudden decrease in fuel efficiency when the AC is on could be a sign of an issue with the system or the engine. Keep track of your car's mileage to spot any unusual changes. 4. Regular inspections. Schedule regular inspections with a qualified mechanic to ensure that your car is in good working condition. Addressing any potential problems early on can help prevent them from causing bigger issues down the line. By following these preventive measures and staying proactive about your car's maintenance, you can help reduce the chances of experiencing surges when running the air conditioning. Taking care of your vehicle and addressing any issues promptly can go a long way in ensuring a comfortable and safe driving experience. Car surging when the air conditioning is on can be a real headache. It often points to issues like a faulty idle air control valve, dirty throttle body, or even a struggling alternator. Ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems down the road. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any unusual car behavior is key. Stay proactive. When something feels off, don't hesitate to get it checked out. Keeping your car in top shape ensures a smoother, safer ride. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.